Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by on my channel today. If this is your first time, do not make it your last time, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. So today I am excited, I am happy. I know you can see from the title already. Yes, I got my Schengen visa, and that's not what we'll be talking about now. We'll talk about that in the course of the video, and this video might not be long because I just wanted to give you like updates and gist you guys. So first on my list is I went to the cinema in the UK, and it was bliss. Like, it was enjoyable. I liked every bit of it. I've been so busy that I really don't do some activities. I've not been to the beach. I've not been to the beach in the UK, and the beach is just somewhere there, but I've not visited the beach. But I went to the cinema and I watched Wakanda. If you're yet to see Wakanda, tell me in the comment section. And if you have seen it, tell me also in the comment section. And I got a cup. I got like, yeah, a drinking cup. Wakanda forever. Yeah. I also got like a popcorn. Would I say popcorn case? Yeah, maybe popcorn case. But it was good. And if I get to see it, sure, go and watch it. That's what I know. Second thing that happened in November that I'm excited about happened. Okay, if you're watching this video on Friday, the 18th of November, it happened on the 16th of November. I planned a proposal and a birthday party, and it was good. It was good, guys. So if you have plans to propose to your girlfriend, if you have plans to have a birthday dinner and you don't know what to do, you're looking for ideas, or you're looking for an event planner, give me a call or send me an email and we can do that together. So I'm going to be putting a clip of the proposal in this video, so enjoy that. 30 seconds. So how was it? Yeah, it was beautiful. Okay, yeah, thank you. And the decor was okay, right? If you feel so, please put it in the comment section just to encourage me. So November has been super good. Like, you can see the trend. I went to the cinema, I had a party to plan. I also got my Schengen visa, which is like the cocoa of the matter, and that's why some of you are here. Hi guys, good morning. So I just got the delivery of my passport because I applied for Schengen visa, but I just want to film this reaction on camera because I don't even know what to expect. So let's do this together. I don't know how to feel, but I don't know. How do I find it? So the visa came in earlier than I expected because I wasn't even expecting it. Let me put it that way. I wasn't expecting that I'll be given the visa because I did not do some things, and I was not expecting it. I know some people will be like, oh, you're in the abroad, Schengen visa is not always difficult when you're in the abroad. That's not true. Some people were denied, and some people were even given 1 month or 2 weeks. and I applied to, you know already, you can guess. I applied through France, and it's like hot cake. For those in the UK, they always like, oh, advise that you apply through other countries that are not really hot cake like that. But if you're applying through Spain, Portugal, France, it's always very tight. Let me put it that way. But your girl got it. Like, I got it. So I got it, and I got like 3 months. I got 3 months, not like 3 months. Yes, I got 3 months. 3 months multiple entry. So that means that I can travel to any 26 countries within the Schengen region within 3 months. Like, you guys should just run me my check so that I can be doing all those, all those travel vlogs that you want to actually see. So that was one of the things that happened as well, and it made November also very beautiful for me. That's not enough reason to be away from you guys, I know. So the reason why I was away was because of the weather. Yes, I was away because of the weather. Most times I film in the afternoon, and it still gets really bright in the afternoon because I use natural lights to film in the afternoon. But now, once it's 3:30 or 4 p.m, everywhere starts getting dark and you can't film again. And I have to finish work. Like, I have to finish my 9 to 5 work before I can start YouTube work. So I had to like chill because it wasn't working. I can't like film early in the morning as well because I have to resume in the morning. So that was why sometimes I try to like film some videos and it gets really dark or wasn't giving that vibe that you guys like. But shout out to my friend, my subscriber, my fan. She sent me this ring light and that's why my face is shining. So we have a ring light now. I don't have any excuse to be MIA. And if you're watching this video right now, please give a shout out to my friend, say a word of prayer to my friend, and you can also send some things here. So say a word of prayer to my friend, and you can please tell her thank you in the comment section for me. And what else? So henceforth, I don't have reasons to be missing in action. I'm also going to be dropping more videos for you. I'm going to film a lot of videos this weekend. And guys, watch out for travel vlogs on this channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do so right now. Like, ensure you subscribe before you go. And if you are subscribed, you need to also put on your notification bell so that you will know when I drop the video. The way it is now, I might not drop videos on Fridays anymore. I can just be dropping it like dropping it. So this is just life updates video. This is just for me to catch up with you guys and to tell you that I am back. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching my videos. I really do appreciate you. Bye bye.